Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a pride look. If you could not tell by the title of this video, June is Pride Month, and even though this month has been a crazy month for everybody all over the world, I still wanted to do a pride look because pride is a very important time for my queer friends and I want to be as best an ally as I can. So today I'm doing a pride look in honor of all of them and letting you guys know that on my Instagram page I do have the Trevor Project donation page linked. If you are interested in donating, you will be helping at-risk LGBTQ+ youth all over the country, and you can learn how to become a better ally on that page too. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so I threw my hair in a bun because I'm putting on a wig anyway, so it doesn't matter how my real hair looks. We are actually going to start with our eyebrows today. So because I can't fit all the colors of the rainbow on my eyelids, I am going to be using some other colors kind of around my face to bring everything together. So I'm going to be using this orange pencil from LA Girl for my eyebrows today. This is called Sensational, and this will kind of match the wig I'm wearing because I'm going to be wearing my coppery kind of orange wig. So I'm just going to start by brushing up my brows so we have as much skin exposed underneath as possible so we can really get in there with the color. And then I'm just going to fill them in. This for a like wood pencil that's not like a gel liner is so smooth. So it's perfect for doing like crazy colored brows. And it's LA Girl, so it's super cheap. Off camera, I primed my eyes all the way from lash line to brow because we are going to be doing a very obviously dramatic look. So I'm going to start with red in the inner corners. This is actually kind of a glittery red. This is Bad Seed from NYX, and this is just going to be basically our base color because we're going to be using a whole lot of glitter today. So we're going to start with red. And I'm just taking this on a fluffy brush and packing it on all the way up to the eyebrow. That way, I mean, I'm leaving like a little bit of a gap because the glitter is not going to go the whole way up. So this is going to be our red stripe. Since we already did orange, our next thing to do is to do yellow. I am taking this NYX Hot Pigment in Hot Yellow. And same brush, I just used my color switch thing. And we're going to pack that on all the way up to the brow. Don't worry about taking up too much lid space with one color because we're literally going to take it all the way out. Next is green, so we're going to do the same with this NYX Hot Pigment in Hot Green. Next is blue, so I'm going to be using this blue shade from Tokidoki. It's called Brutino. It's not like a true like dark blue, it's kind of a lighter shimmery blue. I thought that would kind of complement the rest of the colors really well. And with this blue, since this is the last one on our eyes, I'm going to bring it out to a point. So we have that done. Now we are going to go over everything with glitters. The glitters I'm going to be using today are from Sin Cosmetics, so let me go through them real quick for you guys. I am using Panic, which is the red. I am using Loaded, which is kind of like a yellow with a little bit of shift of orange. I'm using Utopia as our dark blue, and VSOP as our green. So I'm going to put on a little bit of glitter adhesive and then pack all of these on their respective colors. Just packing them on the lid. I'm not going above my crease with them. So I did my lashes, my liner, and my base. So now I am going to just bronze up a little bit with my Physicians Formula bronzer and a big fluffy brush. And we're just kind of going to go around the frame of my face, especially on my forehead, because I am going to be wearing a wig. So I want to make sure the lace has something to blend into. This is mainly just to add a little bit of color and shape, not really contouring or anything. Blush, I'm just going to be using a matte pink. This one is from NYX, and we're just going to put this on the apples of the cheeks. Of course, for highlighter, how could I not use my Wet n Wild Rainbow highlighter? And I'm going to use a blush brush and try and get as many colors as I can in one swipe, and then sweep it on the cheeks so that it does come off as a rainbow, at least in person. I don't know if it's going to translate on camera. Okay, and then again, right on the end of my nose. And Cupid's bow. Oh, got a lot of blue in that one. So I think I want to add a little color underneath the eye, so I'm just going to take the base shades that we used before and add those underneath our eye as well. So starting with red. There's already a little bit of fallout down there anyway, so why not? Then yellow. Green. And blue. I'm going to use a bright pink liner because I don't really have the shade of purple that I'm going to be using today in lip liner, so this pink is probably as close as I can get. I'm going to be using Airborne Unicorn from Lime Grime. So now that we have all the colors of the rainbow on our face, I'm going to go throw on my wig. So this is the finished look. Do you guys like it? Do you think it is bright enough for Pride? I think it is very bright. So I did pop on one of my Amazon wigs just to give us a touch more of orange. It kind of matches the brows. And of course, the perfect accessory to my love outfit is my drag queen fan. I got this at DragCon from the Blair St. Clair booth. It is beautiful and amazing, and she is a lovely queen, and I'm rooting for her on All Stars, but also I think Shay's gonna win, so it's fine. But yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, let me know down below, and also make sure you pop over to my Instagram page where I have the donation page to the Trevor Project linked. There you can donate to the Trevor Project and continue their mission of helping at-risk LGBTQ youth, and you can see how you can help in your community and become a better ally. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.